Hey Tech Explorers! Welcome back to another exciting episode on Tech Explorer. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz around the highly anticipated Oppo Reno 13 Pro. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news and reviews. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the design. The Oppo Reno 13 Pro is designed to impress with its sleek and modern look. The phone features an iPhone-inspired design with integrated cold-craved glass, contributing to its seamless and sophisticated appearance. The lens's smooth, one-piece construction adds a refined, high-quality feel. The Reno 13 Pro comes in several color variants, including a stunning aluminum alloy metal middle frame that adds durability and a premium touch. Next up, let's talk about the display. The Oppo Reno 13 Pro features a large 6.83-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1.5K. This display promises vibrant colors and sharp details, making it perfect for gaming, streaming, and everything in between. With a refresh rate of 120 Hz, you can expect buttery smooth scrolling and an immersive viewing experience. The micro-quad curved design and thin bezels contribute to a more immersive experience, and the touch sampling rate ensures that every touch is registered instantly. This is crucial for gamers who need precise and responsive controls. Additionally, the display supports HDR10+, enhancing the dynamic range and color accuracy for a more lifelike viewing experience. Under the hood, the Oppo Reno 13 Pro is expected to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset. This processor is designed to deliver top-notch performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or running demanding applications. It's a significant upgrade from its predecessor, ensuring that the Reno 13 Pro can handle anything you throw at it with ease. Let's break down what this means for everyday use. The Dimensity 8350 is built on a 4nm process, which makes it more power efficient and capable of higher performance. This means faster app launches, smoother multitasking, and an overall snappier experience. For gamers, this chipset promises to deliver high frame rates and reduced latency, making your gaming sessions more enjoyable. Moreover, the AI capabilities of the Dimensity 8350 are enhanced, allowing for better camera performance, smarter voice assistance, and improved battery management. Imagine taking photos with advanced AI features that automatically adjust settings for the best shot, or having a voice assistant that understands and responds to your commands more accurately. Now, let's dive into the camera system. The Oppo Reno 13 Pro is expected to feature a triple camera setup with a high-resolution primary sensor, likely 50 MP or higher. This setup includes an ultra-wide camera and a telephoto or periscope telephoto camera. The front camera is expected to be 50 MP, optimized for selfies and video calls. With advanced AI capabilities, the camera can automatically adjust settings to capture the best shot in any scenario. Whether you're taking photos in low light or capturing fast-moving subjects, the Reno 13 Pro's camera is designed to deliver stunning results. The inclusion of optical image stabilization, OIS, ensures that your photos and videos are sharp and clear, even in challenging conditions. Moving on to memory and storage, the Oppo Reno 13 Pro comes with multiple configurations. You can choose from 12GB or 16GB of RAM, paired with 128GB, 256GB, or 512GB of internal storage. This flexibility ensures that you have plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos, and the RAM options mean you can pick the right performance level for your needs. With 16 GB of RAM, You can keep more apps open in the background without experiencing any slowdown. And with up to 512 gigabytes of storage, you'll have ample space for all your high-resolution photos, 4K videos, and large game files. Additionally, the Reno 13 Pro supports UFS 3.1 storage, offering faster read and write speeds compared to older storage technologies. Battery life is always a crucial factor, and the Oppo Reno 13 Pro doesn't disappoint. It's expected to pack a 5900 mAh battery, which should easily last you through a full day of heavy use. And when you do need to recharge, the fast wired and wireless charging will get you back up and running in no time. With a 5900 mAh battery, you can expect up to 10 hours of screen on time, depending on your usage. And with fast charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in just about 30 minutes. Wireless charging is another great feature, especially if you have a wireless charging pad on your desk or nightstand. Let's not forget the extra features that make the Oppo Reno 13 Pro stand out. It includes an optical in-screen fingerprint sensor for quick and secure access. The phone also supports 5G connectivity, ensuring you have the fastest internet speeds available. Other features include dual speakers for an enhanced audio experience, an X-axis linear motor for better haptic feedback, and a high standard of dust and water resistance. So, there you have it, folks. The Oppo Reno 13 Pro is shaping up to be an impressive mid-range contender with flagship-level features. From its stunning design and powerful display to its versatile camera system and robust battery life, this phone has a lot to offer. What are your thoughts on the Oppo Reno 13 Pro? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more tech updates. Until next time, stay tech savvy.